Hello everyone, welcome to North Wealth, and here I am Chetan Anand, and today I am diving into a stock market on my second day, and I am not a professional expert, just here to share my learning process. Let's navigate this together, tips, insights and wins. Join me in this journey to financial understanding. So here we go, and the first thing is the stock market is going to open at 9:30, but before that Nifty 50 is already turned up to 22,000 and Sensex at 73,184. And today there are 2-3 news which is going to impact the Nifty Bank and others, but let's decide on the other part of sugar control by government and ethanol deputy and the new IPO listing, which is Jyoti CNC. So let's talk about it, and let me hold you for a second. So let's talk about Jyoti CNC automation make decent debut in IPO and list at 12% premium to IPO price. And the Jyoti CNC IPO stock open at rupees 370 on NSE and rupees 322 on BSE. So if let's talk about what is the current value of Jyoti CNC. So Jyoti CNC is already taken high as much as 444 level, and this is a huge benchmark for Jyoti CNC, and maybe profit booking started because the Jyoti CNC stock now fall back to the level of 431, and the seller are now selling and take over their profit and returning it. And if we talk about the next news, which is Sensex close at 73,128 and Nifty 50 is closing on 22,032. Nifty Bank 48,125 and Nifty Mid Cap 147,665. Now coming to the second news, which is sugar stock rises after center imposed 50% export duty on molasses. Most sugar stock rose on Tuesday, January 16, after a center announced the imposition of 50% export duty on molasses with effect from 18 January, while a stock has such as Sri Renuka Sugar, Balrampur Chini, EID Perry, Magad Sugar, Avance Sugar and many more trade up to 2% higher in morning deal. Counters such as DCM, Sri Ram and Bannari Aman declined up to 1.5%. The measure has been taken to ensure the market forces of demand and supply in the commodity. On January 12, 2024, the Central Board of Indirect Taxes and Customs (CBIC) issued a notification on excess duty on 12% and 50% ethanol blended petrol. This is an increase from the previous 10%. And the government also announced an excise duty exception on a 20% portion of alkyl esters of long-chain fatty acid obtained from vegetable oils and diesels. Excise duty is charged on the production of goods and at the time of removal of products. So these are the news with the end of today, and the time is 3:50 and the market is closed, and That's all for today and meet you tomorrow. Have a good day. See ya and stay up to date with my 31 days of stock market trading. And let's hope you will find a value and learn with me in this process. Have a good day. See ya. Bye bye for now.